In today's video, I'm going to teach you, insert video title here. By the end, you'll know exactly how to use frames in Canva to place your photos or videos into clean, stylish shapes that instantly elevate your design. Start by opening Canva on your browser or the app. On the home page, look for the Create a Design button, usually near the top right. Click it, then pick any size that fits your project. You might choose a square for a social post, a presentation slide, or any custom dimensions you prefer. The size simply sets your canvas. You can still adjust elements freely inside. Once your blank design opens, head to the left side panel and click Elements. This is your toolbox for shapes, graphics, and more. At the top of the Elements panel, there's a search bar. Type the word Frame. Frames are special placeholders that mask media into a specific shape. Think circles, letters, or abstract outlines, so your image or video takes on that form automatically. Scroll through the results and browse the variety. Choose any frame shape that suits your style and layout. When you find one you like, click it to add it to your canvas. It will appear in the center or wherever you last clicked. You can add more than one if your design calls for it. Now position it. Click and drag the frame to move it around your canvas. Use the corner handles to resize proportionally and the side handles to stretch in a particular direction. Keep an eye on Canva's smart guides. Those pink alignment lines help you center or align with other elements for a balanced composition. With your frame in place, fill it with content. Drag any photo or video directly into the frame from your Uploads or Canva's library. As you hover over the frame, you'll see it highlight. Release to snap the media inside. The frame automatically crops the edges while preserving the overall look of the shape, giving you a clean, professional result. If you change your mind, just drag a different photo or video on top to replace it instantly. This works beautifully for dynamic designs. Videos inside frames create engaging, masked motion that stands out in feeds and presentations. That's it. Open Canva, create your design, find frames under Elements, add the shape you want, position it, and drag in your media to fill it. With a few simple moves, you can turn a plain layout into something polished and eye-catching. Try a few frame styles to see what complements your content best, and build the rest of your design around it for a cohesive, finished look.